I'm back once again, and today I've got two TVS Gold keyboards. One of them has Cherry MX Blue switches, and the other one has Kailh Long Hua Blue switches. So I'm going to show you how they sound and how different they are. I mean, again, it's something that you have to decide. I will be just pressing the keys, and you can also let me know which one is better and which one is worse. So let's go ahead and find out. We'll start with TVS Gold Cherry MX switches. This is the one which is equipped with Cherry MX Blue switches. We're gonna be trying a TVS Gold with Longhua switches. So like I said, this is the one with Cherry MX Blue switches, and this one's with Kailh Long Hua Blue switches. So that's it. Let's do it once more, just for the peace of my mind. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.